In this video, we are going to see about Angular's special feature, custom pipes. Pipes are nothing but filters, so which are used to filter input and forms it to an desired output. Okay. For example, I have a date, so I need the date in a different format. Okay. So I can use this pipes to convert that to my desired date. Okay. So custom pipes are like pipes which helps us to write our own code and transform the inputs based on certain conditions or manipulations, and we can use our own settlement to make that output fit. So pipe is like transform a single value into a new value at a desired output. We can give any value as an input like string, array, or object, etc. So that will be performed and given the desired output. So here I have given a example. So I have a file called name logo.svg, size 2120109, and type is image slash svg. So the type might be that one. So inside the div tag I have two things needed. One is file name and another one is file size. Okay, so these file name will be derived from the file name logo.svg. So the file name will be logo.svg, and the size would be 2120109. That will be outputted two times. Okay, so we are doing this in a pipe for transforming, for consuming this file name and file size. So in the next slide we are going to see about that. Yeah, yes, I'll show you that. This is a custom pipe. So for this pipe, you need to use ng generate the pipes and pipe name. So it will generate the pipe. And inside this pipe, we have two mandatory things for the import. One is pipe and another one is pipe transformation. So transform. So for the pipe, we have to need a name for the pipe. So for what function, what situation we are going to use this pipe, that name should be given here. Okay, so for example I'm writing a function for full user name, means that will be in the pipe name. Okay, so in the export class we need to extend the class, implement the class pipe transform by the file size pipe. So inside that we have a transform function, and we have two parameters, size and extension. So size belongs to number and extension string belongs to emb. Okay, so in the return statement I have a size that was divided in by 1024 to 1024. Okay, so which will be fixed to 2 points, plus we need to give the extension. For example, the pipe file name is here logo.svg. So that is given as the output in the side box, and the total size is 2120109. So this will be divided by 1024 into 1024, and that output is given by the given with the extension mb. Okay, we have another custom pipe here. So this custom pipe is for the multiplier function. So for example, if I'm giving an information an input 2, means the value should be multiplied by a constant number, and that would be given as a result for me. Okay, so for this I'm using a creating a pipe. So in this pipe, the pipe name is for multiplier pipe, so I'm using this for multiplier function. So I given this one, and pipe name also multiplier. Okay, so I have giving two values in the transform function. One is a value that belongs to number, and multiply this belongs to string. Okay, so I have been manipulating, like let multiply is equal to parse float of multiply. So multiply is given as string. Okay, so this string is converted into float. So that float value will be stored in the mul. Okay, so multiply. So what I need to return is return multiply into value. So if suppose the input is value I given to or multiply I given to, so okay, so this value 2 is easily pretended here, but multiply value 2 is a string, so it will be converted to float. Okay, so that value will be stored in the mul variable. So now I am multiplying this mul variable into the value, so I'm getting an output 4. Okay, that's how it is working. For manipulation calculations we can use this. So this pipe is for multiple parameters. We can send in multiple parameters if you are needed. So for that I have given this example. So I have three parameters here. One is a value which belongs to a string type, and another one is fallback, so it belongs to string, and another one is force HTTPS, so which is a boolean. Okay, so on the default value is false here. So getting an image, declaring an image, and if given value is if a given value is available, then image will be set to the value, and then or else fallback will be set to it. And if first HTTP is true, so default it was false. So if it is given true, then it will go to this if condition. So image dot index of HTTPS, so equal to -1. So if any output is coming, then it will go to the image replace to HTTPS into HTTP. Okay, so it will return the image. So now the image value will be changed. So you can give multiple parameters. So, okay, so I have a function called user full name. So I will get two names from the client side. Okay, so one is first name and another one is last name. Okay, so I want to just merge these two things. So first name will be belongs to string type. Next second name is also belongs to string type. Okay, so what I am doing it now here now, I am just returning first name combined with the plus symbol and with a space, and last name with a joint query space. So what will be the input will be, I'm giving input first name as Angular and last name as pipes. Okay, so the output will be Angular space pipes space. Okay, so that will be the output. That's how it is working. So for string manipulations also you can use it. For lowercase to uppercase conversions, for title case, toggle case, sentence case, for any kind of string manipulations you can use this one. So here I'm giving capital S, so I have an input. So that input is string. Okay, so that input contains three words. My text string. Okay, my belongs to lowercase and text belongs to uppercase, string belongs to lowercase. So what I'm asking here now, return text of 0. So text of 0 means what are the things which is available and the word, the first word, the first word before the space. So that will be considered as text of 0. So I'm converting that to uppercase. And then what I'm doing now, I'm again text of substring of 1. So text of substring of 1 will return text. Okay, so I'm converting that to a lowercase. Okay, if I'm giving text of 2 means the third value string will be given there. So now what will be the output now? My will be in full caps, and text will be in lowercase, and string will be as usual. So we have converted the text from from lowercase to uppercase, and text uppercase to lowercase. So these kind of manipulations are easy to handle here. So for custom types manipulation, we can use any type of any kind of manipulation. We can use the custom types. There is no specification for using the custom types. We can manipulate the string. We can manipulate numbers. We can do calculations. We can get input from a given source, like that we do in the file name. So if I can get a file name separately and file size separately, and most probably the pipes commonly used are sort pipes. So I have given an example for the sort pipes in the playlist. It will be under the Angular pipes video. So just go and visit that order by pipe also. Okay, So you will get a clear picture about all the pipe manipulations. Thanks for your support. Crack Software Team Interviews team.